In this video, we are gonna go over how to solve multi-step inequalities. So multi means more than more than two or like a lot of steps, more than two steps. So first, solving inequalities rule: when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality. What does it mean? Reverse inequality. If you have a greater than, if you reverse it, it will be less than. If you have a greater than or equal to, if you reverse it, it will be less than or equal to. If you have less than, you reverse it, it will be greater than. If you have less than or equal to, it will be greater than or equal to. So I'm gonna go over solving equations steps because solving multi-step equations because it's very similar to solving multi-step inequalities. So first, if you have double negative, you have to change it to positive. If you have parentheses, you have to distribute. So this is 2x plus 4, right? So this is called the distributive property. And then if you have a fraction like this, what do? You're gonna multiply by 2, right? So you're gonna remove fractions. But when you multiply by 2, you're gonna multiply everything by 2. And then if you have, for example, if you have 2x plus x, you're gonna combine like terms. You're gonna combine 2x and x. So it's called combine like terms on same side. It is very important. If they are on different sides, you cannot combine them. For example, if you have 2x here, if your x is on the right side, you cannot combine that. You have 2x and x, so just 3x equals 5. This is combine like terms. And then number 5, you're gonna, I'm sorry, I don't have space here. I'm gonna write here, get the variable. Usually it is an x, it can be a different letter, to one side. And then you're gonna do undo, addition or subtraction. Last step is undo, multiplication or division. So these are the steps. So let's go over inequalities. So we are gonna use the same steps. You're gonna use the same steps.
At this time, we will have lunch. So
you're gonna use the same steps, but you just use the inequality symbol.
And lunch will run until 12:40. So at 12:40, you need to be in your third period class. 12:40, lunch will be over.
So let's go over them. Okay, so 3x and 2x are like terms on the same side. They are on the left side, so you can combine them. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. And then the rest of the inequality you just bring down. You have negative 4 less than or equal to 16. And this is now from here it's 2 steps, add 4 on both sides. You bring down 5x less than or equal to 16 plus 4 is 20. And then divide by 5, x is less than or equal to 20 divided by 5 is 4. Here, you do not flip the symbol because you are not dividing by a negative number. Number 2, 3 and 3 are like terms on the same side. So 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 4x is greater than or equal to negative 6. Okay, your variable x is on the left side. You want to move the number to the other side. So minus 6, 6 minus 6 is cancel, negative 4x. Negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. Okay, now you're going to divide by negative 4. Because you're dividing by a negative number, let me use a different color. You have to flip the symbol. You have to flip the inequality symbol because you're dividing by a negative number. So negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive 1. They will be cancelled. X. And then negative 12 divided by negative 4 is positive 3. So again, divide by negative, flip the symbol. Number 3, you have x on the left side, on the right side. They are not on the same side, so you cannot combine them. I'm gonna subtract 3x on both sides to get the variable to one side. Negative 2x minus 3x, x is negative 5x. Bring down 6, less than 3x minus 3x cancel. Bring down negative 8. And then minus 6, minus 6. 6 minus 6 cancelled. Negative 5x less than negative 8 minus 6 is negative 14. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. You are dividing by a negative number, so you have to flip the symbol. And then negative 5 is cancelled. X is greater than 14 over 5. Negative 14 divided by negative 5 will be positive. Number 4, now you have a fraction. So you have to multiply everything by 3, multiply everything by 3, multiply everything by 3. When you multiply 3 times 2, it is 6x, but you are dividing by 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so it's 2x. It's not 6x, it's 2x. 3 will be cancelled. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 times 3 is 12x. Less than or equal to negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Now combine like terms 2x and 12x. You can combine them. So 14x minus 6 less than or equal to negative 15. And then you can do plus 6 cancelled. 14x is less than or equal to negative 15 plus 6. Put in your calculator, negative 9 divided by 14 divided by 14. X is less than or equal to negative 9 over 14. You don't switch the symbol because you're dividing by a positive number. You have negative 9 at the top. It doesn't matter. What it matters is the bottom number. Number 5, you have to distribute. So bring down 2x. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Greater than or equal to 10. And then combine these two. It's 2 minus 9, so negative 7x. Bring down negative 6, greater than or equal to 10. Plus 6 on both sides. Bring down negative 7x. Negative 6 plus 6 cancelled. 10 plus 6 is 16. Divide by negative 7, divide by negative 7. Because you're dividing by a negative number, you have to split the symbol. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 cancels x. Negative 16 over 7. Number 6, distribute. For number 5 and 6, you might want to try by yourself and then take notes. 3 times 2 is 6x minus 12 greater than or equal to 2 times 4 is 8x minus 12. And then I'm going to subtract 8x on both sides. 6 minus 8, negative 2x, minus 12, greater than or equal to 8 minus 8 cancel, negative 12, plus 12, negative 2x, greater than or equal to cancel, negative 12 plus 12 is 0. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, you have to split the symbol. And then x is less than or equal to 0.